Alright, traders, so lost track of time. Just got done cutting the grass and doing some other things around the house. Just going to go over these trades real quick. Was a red day, as you can see. NAOV, just a little pop out of the gate through 2. Got short, kind of missed the jiggle up there, chased it down, and was looking for the 2 retest, which we finally got, but it kind of felt like it was bouncing where it did. It did actually, if you go back and watch the trade, it did bounce back up and then flushed. So we were right in seeing the price action wanted to try to bounce, and then that was that. USWS, this one was a frustrating one. Could have been a decent green trade. We had our order at 281, and if we zoom in, you'll see we had a nice little pop through this area. Was hoping it would go up through 3, did not. Nothing's getting that extra push right now. 282. We had our order at 281. It was a little spready, so when it went down and hit 282, I believe the ask was up at like 285. You can go watch the trade back if you want, but it actually came down and tried again. And I thought about taking at least half there, but I didn't. I was like, you know, we're going to get that flush. It's going to give me that extra penny. Never did. Went higher relatively quickly, so there was no need to cut. Was still looking for the actual pullback. And as you can see, we didn't get an add because when it finally went through 3, I was looking for up through 310, maybe even 320. Didn't get that, came right back down through 3. Didn't want to chase an add, knowing that if it did exactly this, our add was basically useless and it was just adding more size if we did end up cutting it high of day. It did get down to our average. Our average was at 290. It literally came down, bounced right off of our average, couldn't get us out. I was ready to take this thing off break even, but once it started to consolidate, find support there at 290, I said once it found its way back up over this candle, I would take at least half off and then see if maybe it's just trying to fake out to the upside and put the other half at high of day. So high of day was 306. It went up to 306. We had our stop at 307. It went up to 306.99 with our stop at 307. And when it started to fail that, we added our shares back at 303. Figured we could get our average up, and then so if it wanted to exactly double top, it was actually like a fake out breakout by less than a penny, that we could be part of it. And unfortunately, it decided to go back up to 307, finish 307 as a whole instead of 306.99, take us out and give us the top tick there. So it actually covered us at 306. I guess we got lucky on the spread there, but our order was at 307, filled us at 306 for our shares, and then ultimately came back down. Didn't really come that far back down. As you can see, it ended up going higher. Our average was 296 and some change, I think, after the ad. So still would have been an annoying trade. Could have got out green, I guess. But I probably would have been looking for a little bit more at that point. And yeah, just frustrating. Small red day, nothing big. We didn't really take too much size on this, only 150 shares. So, and the other one, I think we only took 100 shares and it just didn't move NAOV. So just a frustrating day. Overall, just gonna kind of take it and move on to tomorrow. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Always appreciate the support. You can come find us in Discord, Twitter, all that good stuff. If you want to watch these live, go over to Twitch. I have them in the highlight section, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Peace.